DJ-1 25 kg powder packing line. From auger conveyor to 25 kg powder filling machine. Then inner bag sealer and outside gate sewing. Use for milk powder, spice powder, protein powder, etc. Speed 1 to 2 times per hour. Double screw feeding. Screw can pull out quickly within 3 minutes. Easy to clean when changing products and after packing. Ensuring food safety. Rotary Simens HMI workers can operate easily at any angle. Simens PLC Schneider electric parts ensure working steady and safe. 200 liters storage hopper, automatic, connected with auger conveyor assure the material level and packing accuracy. Worker puts powder into auger conveyor, round hopper, then turn on the auger conveyor switch. Powder will be transported to the packing machine storage hopper. The worker puts the bag on the bag holder, then steps on the foot pedal. After clamping the bag, machine starts to filling and weighing. At the same time, after filling, worker move the bag to the sealing machine to seal the inner P bag, then sewing the outside craft paper bag or woven bag. The whole production line is finished then. Excellent quality expand the market. Dedicated service when the future. DJ-1 packaging machinery. Design reliable packaging solutions.